Good morning from Tiger, Tub, Sama, the Torty Cat, an Orange Tab, and Fluffy, and Henrietta the chicken. Good morning, Fluffy. Cloudy here today after the storm that we had here on Maui. Some high winds and some rain. Good morning, Fluffy. How are you? Good girl. Good morning, Fluffy. Good morning, Henrietta. And up she goes. All right, have a good day. Wishing everybody the best. Mahalo and aloha. And please remember to like. Good, Fluffy. Having her breakfast.